Just last week, Ishoda's counsel, Peter Sugweki, prayed the court to grant his client bail, but was objected by the prosecution counsel, David Malik. After listening to both counsel, trial judge Umar Kagriko fixed Monday, June 5, 2017, for ruling on the application for bail brought by the defendant. At the resumed trial on Monday, Honorable Umar Kagriko, in his ruling, believes the defendant requires freedom and, in line with the requirement of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act, grant him bail in the sum of 500,000 naira and a surety with a valid address within the area of court jurisdiction.
The conditions of the bail is that someone living within the jurisdiction of the court should surety him. The person must have a reasonable address, and the address is going to be verified by the prosecutor.
He further thanked the court for delivering the ruling in his favor and promised to get acquainted with all the proof of evidence incriminating his client.
I asked the court that the proof of evidence be made available to the defendant, so that he will has chance to study, so that all the evidence against him will be seen by him, and he will know how to conduct his defense.
Although the defendant pleaded not guilty and is released on bail, the July 20th continuous trial will decide the fate of the defendant. Emmanuel Bagudu, PTV News.